Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is August the 15th. As per usual, this is a series that will show you types and things you expect to see from us here at Footwear with Fabric Studio. This week we had a rep and we opened some boxes. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. That does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with this series. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Please give this video a like and a subscribe with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.